the Federal League meet, baby.
Feds, baby.
Lorenzo.
Yeah, let's go.
Shout out to Lorenzo. We about to win this shit.
Yo!
What do you guys got to say about this?
Yeah, we about to win.
We are at Green for the Federal League, and we are going to kick some butt. Yo!
What's up, my homie?
Shout out to
How's it going?
There's everyone on the team. No.
Lorenzo, you about to get first today?
Yep. I'm about to get first.
What's up, Lorenzo's
Last
vlog?
race.
You know, Lorenzo's the best runner on the cross-country team. So, you know, let's watch. Look at this. Look at this. Watch. It's a really amazing team.
Hey! What's going on? We're back in Lorenzo's vlog!
What's up, Lorenzo?
Yeah! So what are we doing today, Reed? I'm going to take all of them. No! Yeah, we out here. Look at this camera work. Oh, yeah, look at that camera work. Yeah, camera work. Camera work. Camera work. Yeah. Yeah. Camera work. Camera.
Whoa, what the heck?
What? Oh, dodged. Stop. No, I will forever be the best Lorenzo vlogger. Yep. There's Kalila.
Go away.
Yep. She's swinging, and then we have all these people here.
I'm gonna
Three galleon.
recording.
Today's a sad day.
All right. About to get lit, right?
I have to bleep that out.
You're gonna be bleaching out all night.
Abby, any words to say? Wise words?
Why are you so close?
Because we got tattoos.
Let's get lit.
Run.
Pass.
Any wise words?
Let's get lit.
Any wise words?
We're gonna take together.
We out here in Butler Park. It's the last race. Is this thing recording?
Yeah.
Okay. And it's a pretty sad day.
It is.
with
It
my
really
friend Bart.
is.
Boo hoo.
Look, we up here.
All right, Doug, what do you got to say? What do you got to say for the meet?
I'm gonna rape the course.
What you got, Lane? What you got?
I'm here to have fun.
What you got, Tomac?
Exactly what he said.
I love you, Tomac. I love him.
What you got, Bryce?
Yeah, guys.
What you got? What you got, Lorenzo?
Let me say something to the camera. As soon as I cross this finish line, as soon as Doug crosses this finish line, we die.
I cross this
Hey.
finish line.
We both die. And our son Tomac becomes a man. And it's a proud day. As much as I would
What you got?
proud day when Tomac becomes a man.
What you got?
Whoa. Rhyme deep enough to say beyond. Hey. Yep, the meat was good. Beyond all that hey. What? You rhyme deep enough to hey. Say I'm beyond.
I got companies and pesos. I got people on my payroll. She don't do it like that. Say so.
Wait. You better go. It's pretty good. We almost won the Federal League. Doing our best to become the best Hoover cross country team. This year, guys, Federal League was okay. Didn't do the best, but you know.
Daddy, Lorenzo.
Yeah, I don't know what I'll do with these guys, but they're the best.
Daddy,
team.
just gotta keep it to me, Daddy.
Just gotta keep annoying Lorenzo's vlog, man.
Yeah, there's Zach Hoadley.
Oh, what a guy. What a guy.
Check out Lorenzo's vlog. It's a great channel.
R&W Productions.
It's the next hit thing.
Yep.
You'll be
Build the wall.
no.
Build the wall. Because
Trump.
it's back.
All the way to
You say he's just a friend. And you say all the way out, boys. All the way out, boys. Baby,
people are falling.
you got what I need. You say he's just a friend. You say he's just a friend. Oh, baby, you got what I need. You say he's just a friend.
You can't say that.
You say he's just a friend. Oh, baby, you.
Guys, we're back from the Federal League meet, our last meet. Pretty sad. I mean, we'll be back there next year, and thank you guys for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace out.
They would have taken the ball and just gone.
Hey, can I shake your hand?
Yeah. Nice to meet you.